I'm currently making up the remote control receiver for Tick Hill using a Hamtronics receiver, and I thought I might take the opportunity to measure the sensitivity etc. of the Hamtronics receiver, do a few tests on them. This is the first test I'm doing, which is comparing it to an FM880. This is the old VK6RLM. What I've done is I've joined the two audios together through a couple of resistors, and they feed a CRT, so you can see the resulting audio, amount of quietening, etc. And the RF input goes through a coax switch. One goes to the Hamtronics receiver and the other one goes to the old VK6RLM. So I can switch between the two instantaneously and see the quietening and the results on the Crow. What you're seeing is the FM880, probably about barely 10 to 15 dB of quietening. It's only got a 1 kHz tone on it. That's the audio output. I'll now switch to the Hamtronics receiver. As you can see, there's quite a significant difference between the two, and in fact I'll wind the Hamtronics receiver down until it's quite noisy. And then I'll switch back to the FM880. It won't even open the mute, so I'll open the mute on the receiver. I can barely hear the tone in there. So as you can see, the Hamtronics is quite a lot more sensitive. In fact, the measurements are its 20 dB quietening point is around about 0.17, and the measured FM880 is about 0.37. In round figures, it's a bit better than 6 dB difference between the two receivers, and that equates to changing your 10 watt mobile up to over 40 watts, or your 1 watt handheld up to over 4 watts. So a significant improvement. That's the difference between the Hamtronics receiver and the FM880.